Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech24. Today, we are going to be taking a closer look at the Apple iPhone SE 2nd generation, US version, 64GB, black unlocked, renewed. This phone is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable smartphone. It's unlocked and compatible with any carrier of your choice on GSM and CDMA networks, giving you the flexibility and freedom to choose the best plan for you. When you purchase this renewed iPhone SE, you can rest assured that it has been thoroughly tested for battery health and is guaranteed to have a minimum battery capacity of 80%. It has also successfully passed a full diagnostic test, ensuring like-new functionality and the removal of any prior user personal information. Now, I know what you might be thinking, what about the accessories? Well, the device does not come with headphones or a SIM card, but it does include a generic, MFI certified charger and charging cable. One of the best things about this renewed iPhone SE is that it has been inspected and guaranteed to have minimal cosmetic damage, which is not noticeable when the device is held at arm's length. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality smartphone that won't break the bank, I highly recommend checking out the Apple iPhone SE 2nd generation, US version, 64GB, black unlocked, renewed. You can find the link to purchase this amazing device in the description below. Don't miss out on this great deal. And as always, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.